So I am currently here at the National Seashore in Cape Cod. And if I stand right here in this location, pretty much the whole United States is right behind me, except for Maine. Maine is like a little bit sticking a little bit further, but it's kind of sweet. Oh my God, a seal! No freaking way! I've never seen a seal before. And I don't know if you'll be able to see him, but let me see if I can find him again. Look, there he is. What? Oh my God. I'm just blown away right now. I've never seen that. That's awesome. Oh, I'm so stoked now. Wow, look at the size of the dunes. Crazy. Oh, nice.
Son of a
dang.
That big angry bastard.
To get a shot of him.
Sure.
I'm in the parking lot of the National Seashore, and the whole goal of this video is to kind of see if I can stealth camp somewhere here in Cape Cod. I think I could totally do it in the in this parking lot. There's a camper over there. There's a camper behind me. They have all their windows closed off. So I'm pretty sure I could do it. I just feel like that would be too easy if I camped out over here. So if all else fails, I'll come back over here and then I'll stay the night. The whole goal of this video is to see if I can stealth camp somewhere around here. So we'll see what's going on. Okay, sorry about the lighting, guys. It is super dark over here. A little update. I am in the middle of Provincetown, I think, at a hospital here, and I'm gonna try to camp out over here. There's nobody here. I really don't think I'm gonna get kicked out or anything, so we're gonna see what happens. I think I'll be all right. I'm in, like, I can't really show you. It's like it's so dark out here. I got the lighting set up in here. It barely works. So sorry if the picture is kind of messed up, but we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna get ready for bed. I gotta wash off my feet and stuff. I have a bunch of sand on them from the beach. The seashores over here are dope. They are so cool. So yeah, I'm gonna wash off my feet. I'm gonna get changed into some pajamas and then climb into bed. It is, what time is it? It is 8:34. I know it's a little early, but I plan on getting up early. I'm gonna try to get up at like 5 or 6 a.m. so I can get a pretty cool view of the sunset. I think that'll be pretty fun. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is crack my window and then put this thing over my door. Yeah, so I got it cracked a little bit, and then what I'll do is I'll put this like mesh over my window so I can get a nice little airflow without getting any bugs in there. Okay, after I get the mesh on my window, I like to put this fan up here hanging up on the grab handle. That way I get a nice clean breeze of air going straight to my bed, because my bed's like right there, so it's definitely more comfortable to have the fan going, obviously. All right, so I'm in my back seat, which is pretty much my living room, and obviously my bed is right here. I got this fan set up. This fan is terrible, by the way. It does not last very long. It puts out good air, but it just doesn't last the whole night. So I have another fan, which is somewhere around here for my backup. And then over here is where I like plug up my phone. It's like a little charge pack. I have it set up over in this area. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me get in bed here real quick. Okay, well, I guess my camera doesn't want to stay up there, but this is how I get up into bed. So let me move my pillow here. Ugh. It's definitely tight, but it is super cozy, and I've never been in one of those Japanese motels, you know, like the capsule hotels, but I feel like this would be pretty close, and I've always wanted to stay in there. All right, for those of you who are wanting to know the temperature right now, it's probably around like 75, 70 to 75 degrees out right now. It's pretty comfortable, and when I get the fan going, I'll probably pass right out. But in Key West, that was hard. That was hot. Oh my God, it was hot. Sorry about the lighting here. It is so dark out. So all I need to do is turn the fan on and turn off these lights and go to bed. And then I will see you guys in the morning. So it's 5:40 a.m. I just woke up. I slept fine over here. Nobody bothered me at all. So I'm gonna get up and get ready for my day. So I made it over here to Pilgrim's First Landing Park. It was only like 7 minutes away from that hospital where I was. It's kind of cool that this is where the Pilgrims came to in America. Pretty cool spot. And I'm at I think this is called the Causeway, and this goes all the way to the other side of the National Seashore at the tip. I think that's pretty sweet. So yeah, everything was fine. I slept in my car fine. This place is really, really pretty. I'm gonna go check it out today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.